everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by, coming on back. I feel like it's been forever since I've been on camera. I know I've been putting out some videos, but they were shot a month or so ago, and so I'm gearing up to release a whole new batch of new videos, so it's always good to come back on camera. And I can't believe we're in the middle of the summer. The summer is halfway over, and you know, a lot of stuff is going on. I'm here in California. I've been through a couple of earthquakes, so if you're here in California, I hope you made it through okay. I know some of you are getting through hurricanes. It's just funny, no matter where you go or live here in the in the country, Mother Nature will find you no matter where. So make sure that you're okay and you're safe out there. So if you're on a plant-based diet or a vegetarian, I'm pretty sure that you've heard of a product out there called Beyond Meat. I've only heard about it maybe a couple of months ago. Actually, I saw it on a beauty channel here on YouTube. Her name is ThymeWithApril, and she's on a plant-based diet, and she's based out of Vegas. And in one of her videos, she was just driving around to different eating spots, just coming up with different ideas of what you can order that is pretty healthy, some healthy alternatives out there. And she kept mentioning this product called Beyond Meat, and she was at Del Taco, and I thought, wow, that's very interesting. And I even noticed that now in grocery stores they're carrying Beyond Meat. So I decided, you know what, instead of going to Del Taco, let me just go ahead and make my own Beyond Meat taco. And so that's what this video is going to be. So I really wanted to make this video a first impression video just to see if I like it or not. And I'm always open to trying new things, and you know, we're always looking for other healthy alternatives and any substitution to meat. So if I like it or not, I think this would be a great option. But before we get started, let me thank all of my new subscribers. Your support means everything to me. And if you want to join the Time with April family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, share this video, and don't forget to turn on those notifications just so you know every time I upload a video, okay? So enough talking, because I've talked way too much. Let's get cooking. So for those of you who are not familiar with Beyond Meat, this is what the packaging looks like, and you can find it in most meat sections at the grocery store. So if you're on a plant-based diet, or if you're a vegetarian, or just looking for a healthy alternative, this will be a great option. And as you can see, it has 20 grams of protein, and it's soy and gluten-free. And I'm going to make some tacos, so I'm going to need some taco shells. And I'm going to season it with garlic powder and some cumin, and also some sea salt and some black pepper. And the toppings I'm going to use is some chopped tomatoes and some cheddar cheese, some sour cream, and some salsa. Now over medium heat, I'm just going to heat up a little bit of olive oil, and I'm just going to slide the tray out and just peel back the plastic. Actually, I thought it was 4 little patties, but actually it's 2 very thick patties that I'm going to work with. And I'm just going to go ahead and put that in the warm oil, and I'm going to just take the spoon and begin breaking it apart. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some cumin to the mix. I love cumin, especially when you eat Mexican food. And I'm going to add some garlic powder. And of course, I'm going to add some sea salt. And of course, I'm going to season with some black pepper. So now I'm just going to make sure that the seasoning is mixed all the way through the meat, and that the meat is cooked all the way through. So this is what it looks like, and if you didn't know, you would swear this is real ground beef, huh? So now I'm ready to go ahead and make my tacos. So of course I'm going to load my taco shell with tons of Beyond Meat. I really want to put a lot in because I really want to know what it tastes like. And at this point, you can put pretty much anything you want in your taco. I want to put in some shredded cheese, and I'm going to put in some chopped tomatoes. I love sour cream, so of course I'm going to put tons of sour cream in it, and of course some yummy salsa. So this is what I came up, just a regular taco, but I'm really excited to find out what it really tastes like. I like it a lot, you guys. If you didn't know that it was Beyond Meat, you would swear that it was just regular beef. It is really, really good. And I really like how I season it with the salt and pepper and the cumin. I highly recommend cumin and the garlic powder. It is really, really good. Absolutely, if you're looking for an alternative to meat, Beyond Meat is the way to go. Absolutely. It is so good, you guys. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this first impression. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. I give Beyond Meat a big, big thumbs up. And if you give it a try, let me know in the comment section down below and let me know what you guys think. Before you leave, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel by clicking that box you see right there. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see right there. Until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye-bye.